Hey guys, Abs here. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create unlimited backgrounds that you can use inside of SocialVids. You can actually use these backgrounds on your own websites to create banner ads for, or for whatever other website or whatever other use that you'd need background images for. So we're going to actually be using a website. It's a free website and it's totally free to use. So the website's called siteorigin.com and it's actually a subdomain that I'm on. It's bg.siteorigin.com. So what we do down here is when we come over to this website, you'll see that you've got a number of controls that you can work with, and these controls here will absolutely allow you to create hundreds and thousands of background images that are all different from one another, and it's really cool and it provides you some fantastic control as well. So the first thing you can do is you can actually choose a background color. So let's say for example you wanted your videos to turn out to be grey, or you wanted grey backgrounds or brown backgrounds or whatever, then you can choose the color from here. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the white one here, and what we'll do, we'll actually continue with this 45-degree fabric. You can actually choose, as you can see, you've got hundreds of choices down here, from even from zigzags. I mean, you know, we've done some zigzags here, done some pattern intensity. We'll actually times it by 2 as well, and then the zigzag gets even larger. So anyway, you can actually see the zigzags here, hopefully. Yeah, you can. Fantastic. So this is how it works, and you can actually make, obviously you can change the color on this, so you can match the color to whatever need you like. So and from the end here, from the edge where you can see the colors changing, this is the preview that we're going to be downloading. We'll continue with the color white for now, just so I can give you some more examples. I've seen some really cool ones here as well. They've got some really cool you know, foggy birds. They've got various types of ones that you can get. So as you can see, we've got some bird backgrounds there. If the birds look too large for you there, you can make them fewer so it's not zoomed in. You can make the noise even more, which is going to define the birds even more. You can do the pattern intensity even more as well, but of course it might take a little longer to load. So anyway, there you go guys, it's fantastic stuff, and it really is going to take your video creation to the next level, being able to work with multiple backgrounds, because obviously when we do work with backgrounds, and we're normally stuck working with backgrounds that are plain black, plain white, or plain whatever colors, but having this by your side, oh yeah, I totally forgot to mention, we've got blending modes here as well. You can multiply them, you can over them. I mean, if we have a concentrate on the background images here, then you'll see the kind of effects that they actually make. So we can do a brightness on there as well, make them a little brighter. Maybe depending on what color that we're using for the background, will depend on how cool the actual blending effects are going to work. Okay, so this is exactly how you work with it, guys, and then all you have to do is download the image and use it inside of SocialVids. So I'll show you that now. Click on download, and then you can open with save as. I'm going to open with, just to give you an example. And as you can see, we've got a small image there now, very small. It isn't massive whatsoever, but it is scalable. So what you do now is, depending on what size you want your video to be inside of SocialVids, you'd add it inside of SocialVids and let the software do everything for you. On step 4 configurations, you'll choose the custom size, or you'll choose your video size, and SocialVids will actually largen that image for you to whatever size that is here. Alternatively, what you can do if you're using on a single video or other areas is you can go to Image Harvester, you can go to the Image Modifier tab, and of course you can add the images inside of here, and you can resize them and make them larger, keeping the aspect ratio. It doesn't really matter because these are pattern backgrounds and the ratio is not really going to go from there. So anyway guys, come along, have a play with this. It's a very cool piece of kit, and you can really get some cool, brilliant backgrounds from this, of course, for your own websites, for videos that you're making inside of SocialVids as well. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy working with this site, and use it as you please. Thank you very much, and thanks for your time.